Hey, I'm Eric and welcome to my channel. Now if you want to get these done in the shortest amount of time and don't want to deal with jigs, templates and waiting for the glue to dry, then let me show you the fastest way to do it. Before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe button below. All we need is a nail gun, some glue and a flat surface where there's a piece of wood attached to the bottom that has a 90-degree angle. Before we get started, always check what kind of nails you've got in your nail gun. I'm using 30mm nails for this. All the dimensions are mentioned below, so check that out. On the two bottom sides, I've marked the overlap that I have, which is 29mm. Let's start with the top. Now all we need is just pull it back, line it up against this, and right here, glue it and put some nails in. Now I'll do the two sides. This is the base, so I'll put that here as a distance reference. Put it up against this one. I've already got my markings right here on the 29mm. Glue and nail gun. We'll do the other side. And now I'll connect them to the bottom part. One side first. And now for the top. And for the bottom part. And there you go.